I'm Paula and I'm the Physiotherapy Chair of the International Continence Society. I'm going to talk about what the Physiotherapy Committee is actually preparing together with the ICS for this year's conference. And we have quite a few sessions waiting for you, and it's going to be quite an exciting program and quite a lot of physiotherapy activities. We obviously have our physiotherapy workshop. This year is about the female athlete. I'll say no more, it's a surprise. We obviously have our pelvic floor exercise class. This year actually is aimed for the postmenopausal women group. So a bit of a difference from previous years, and that's based on the feedback from previous participants. So we're quite excited about that. Obviously, we have our Physiotherapy Forum, which is a wonderful space within the main conference where we have a few sessions. First of all is that session where all our new researchers come and present. The research is quite a nice area, in particular when you're presenting for the first time. And then we have quite a few clinical practice sessions from bowels, geriatrics, exercise, pessaries. So yes, quite a bit of everything. And then obviously we have our networking event, which is quite a nice way of getting together at the end of the session. And it's nice to then you see all the physios and then you can actually chat and get to know each other. And actually this year marks a wonderful milestone within the ICS because we're actually celebrating the 25th anniversary of the Physiotherapy Forum. So it's 25 years since the physiotherapists actually set up a specific space for us to develop and grow, and actually physiotherapy has grown so much that this year is the year for celebration for all of us, and we're quite excited and preparing a few bits for that as well, which will come in a surprise. So we have two roundtables for physiotherapists. One of them is about physiotherapy following prostatectomy and urinary incontinence and erectile dysfunction. And we also have a roundtable about advanced clinical practice. What does it mean to be an advanced clinical practitioner within physio and nursing? One of the beauties of ICS is the interprofessional and the multi-professional element of a conference. There's not that many conferences where you can go and listen what your friends in urology, urogynecology, colorectal, the nursing, your clinical scientists. This is a wonderful opportunity to learn, about all of different compartments from the continence point of view that you can then take back to your clinical practice. So on top of the physiotherapy activities, I think that's the beauty of being able to sort of network and listen to other healthcare professionals.